What's going on, people? Hey, it's Cardi Boy coming at you for a super late night break. It's about halfway past midnight here, but I was just dying to rip this hobby box of Topps Gypsy Queen. I ripped one earlier, and here were some of the highlights. It's nothing crazy yet. We had Ketel Marte Chrome, Donaldson Chrome, J.D. Martinez Chrome, Andy Young autograph. That was from the first box. What's going on, Greg? Ripping some late night Gypsy Queen here. Going through my first box here, had a Trout, had a Carlos Santana, Indigo, Ketel Marte. That's a Aqua Blue, and then a Daniel Johnson Blue, Nelly Cruz numbered to 50. Gotta love those black and white parallels. This one's a Jesus Sanchez, no name. They make those no name cards. Hard to spot. Little Kirby Puckett short print. Some minis. Oh, you know it's about that late night rip. Just picked these cards up today. I had been waiting all weekend for them. Little tarot card action there. Vlad Jr. Pretty sick card. Yordan Alvarez, Christian Yelich. Best card from that first box was probably this Tyler Stevenson. He's been pretty solid rookie season. Definitely keep an eye on him for years to come. Little Georgia boy too. But yeah, we got one more box to get into. Gypsy Queen's one of my favorite sets. It's a beautiful set. Yeah, we're just doing a little personal rippage here. You get 2 guaranteed autographs per box, and you get a box topper chrome. Save that one for last there. Got Cody Bellinger there on the front of the product. These take me back to about 2011 when I first started collecting. Freddie Freeman's rookie year, so his rookie cards were in there. Alright, without further ado, we're going to get to work on these Topps Gypsy Queens. What's going on, Tyler? See what these puppies are looking like. They are very difficult to open for some reason, so got to use your special technique to get in. Got an Albert Pujols, Max Muncy, Luis Patino, Keston Hiura, Marcell Ozuna. So obviously that's firewood. Jose Abreu, Brad Keller, Trey Turner. Got to check the backs too because they have the bazooka back. All right. Got to keep a sharp eye on these because you might miss a variation. Got a Clark Schmidt, Jose Garcia rookie, Jordan Romero rookie, Brian Reynolds, one of my favorite hitters from the Pirates, Ryan Mountcastle rookie. Got a tarot card here. It's Nolan Arenado. You can check that up. Those tarot cards look pretty awesome. Got a little rounded corners there. Francisco Lindor. Unfortunately, he hit the injured list this week. And J-Up. One of the sweetest right-handed swings in the game. J-Up. Thanks for popping in, boys. Just got home from work late as fuck, so got to rip these cards, man. Dying to get into these. See what we got popping. Got a Brady Singer rookie. Garrett Crochet rookie. Nate Eovaldi. Pat Corbin. Busta Posey. Having a great season. Victor Robles. Marcus Stroman. And Brylan Marquez. As usual. Nothing doing just yet. Went to Loganville to pick these bad boys up today at the J&J Sports. Got Braun, Grandal, Christian Javier rookie, Eddie Rosario. We got a no name here. Lucas Giolito, no name. Got no name on that bad boy. You can kind of hold it up next to the other cards. You can see how it looks. Lucas Giolito, no name plate. Get that sleeved up real quick. I know some White Sox fan will want that bad boy. Another White Sox card here. Tim Anderson, Rafael Devers, and Mike Moustakas. We're looking for some colored borders here, some numbered cards. Of course, we still got 2 autographs to come. Young, Merriweather rookie, Dahlbeck rookie, Devin Williams, he was the NL Rookie of the Year last year. Walker Buehler, the old tall boy mini. The minis look pretty sweet. Freddie Freeman, MV Free, looking really good lately. Had the home run tonight to put us up 2-0. Yeah, dude, they had a freaking meeting tonight or something about... And I was like, I'm out of here. I'm not even hanging out. I ain't even about that life. Why would you stay at Outback when you got Gypsy Queen waiting on you at home? Jose Barrios, Eduardo Rodriguez, Miggy Cabrera, Nick Neidert, Basabe, Luis Basabe, and then another mini here. It's Yadi Molina. I believe I pulled that out of the first box as well. Wilson Ramos, Cody Whitley. Dude, I can't believe you left me, Tyler. Ketel Marte, Mauricio Dubon, Didi Gregorius. Hey, there's my boy. Get well soon, Ronald Acuna. Love that card right there. The design on these is beautiful. Willie Castro rookie. Mikey Trout tarot card. Man, that's a sweet looking card right there. Mike Trout. Tarot of the Diamond. Next up we got a Madrigal rookie and a Dylan Bundy. Got to watch out for Bundy, man. He might just puke on the back of the mound after a night out with the boys. Got Garrett Cole, Mr. Spider Tack himself. Ricky Porcello, Hyunjin Ryu, Espinal, rookie. DeGrom. You know, I love watching him pitch, but he just gets hurt too fucking much. Eloy Jimenez, Corbin Burns, and Jake Cronenworth, rookie. That's a solid one. Cronenworth having a really good season. He might... Yeah, we got to get these autographs, man. Hopefully it'll be a big one, too. No autograph in this pack. Garcia, Buxton, Ian Anderson, rookie. JBJ. Kyle Wright. Didn't even know he was in this set. Kyle Wright. Probably doesn't deserve to be in the set, but... Lukey Voigt, Michael Brantley, and Vlad Jr., one of your MVP candidates for the American League there. It's going to be Shohei right now, though. Shohei, definitely the MVP of the American League by far. What he's doing is just absolutely crazy. But Vlad is like triple crown contention. Like, he's got the average, the homers, and the RBIs. Andrews, Yelich, Castellanos, Choi, Harper, Arrieta, Tatis. Maybe your NL MVP right there. Salvador Perez. Gotta be an autograph in this pack, right? Gotta be an autograph in this next pack, I feel like. No? Woodford rookie. Sixto Sanchez rookie. Aguilar. Lester hit a home run last night. Newman. Alvarez tarot card. Clint Frazier. And Juan Soto, who was getting really hot. since the home run derby. What's going on, Devin? What up, brother? Will Myers, Joey Votto, Mike Soroka. Hope he heals good, and hope we see him back soon. Looks like we do have a indigo purple in this pack. Got a purple border. Luis Garcia, Tyler Stevenson. Purple border. It's Eugenio Suarez, so not the guy you're hoping for with the colored parallels there. Nick Heath, rookie, and Ali Sanchez. I have never heard of this guy. Ali Sanchez. Still got a few packs ahead of us. Joey Bart, rookie. Oh yeah, we do have an autograph in this pack. Let's see here, guys. Hopefully it's a big hit. Joey Bart, Alejandro Kirk, Chris Bubik, Lance Lynn just signed a big deal with the White Sox for 2 years. And let's see here. Autograph is going to be of White. Mitch White of the Dodgers. Little pitcher autograph there for the Dodgers. The signature is absolute trash. Are you kidding me? He just went like, come on, dude. Like, put some effort into your fucking signature. Like, good God. Hopefully some Dodgers fan will take this off my hands, but pretty disappointing autograph right there. Rest of the pack had Mondesi, Dustin May, and Jazz Chisholm, rookie. The Chisholm rookie was probably a better card than that Mitch White autograph. Yeah. Got to get something better than that on our next hit, guys. Got to get something better than that. Baez, Cruz, McClanahan, Carlson, Merrifield, Jones, and Medina. Got Castillo, Davy Garcia, Paul Goldschmidt. There is a blue border in this pack. There's a little blue border. Hopefully it's a rookie. Guzman, Olivares. Blue border is Cronenworth. Nice. That's a very nice card right there. Cronenworth, blue border. And that's, I believe, out of 150. Yep. Number 17 out of 150 there. Wonder what his jersey number is. Anybody? Jake Cronenworth jersey number? Hopefully it's number 17. Because then that would be a 1 of 1. Pretty nice card there. Cronenworth blue border rookie. See what that fetches on the old eBay. And finishing that pack, there was a Mookie Betts and a Justin Turner. Having a great season for the Dodgers, Justin Turner. Just a few packs left. Clevenger, Tapia, Meadows, Judge, Escobar, Glasnow, Machado, and Kramer. You know, it's kind of crazy how much of these guys are already, like, out for the season because they're fucking getting hurt. Got a Kevin Biggio, a Zach Wheeler, Florial, Molina, McKinstry, Gonzalez, Adele, that's a good rookie card, Joe Adele, and Max Fried. More than likely throwing a curveball. Hey, thanks for looking that up, Greg. Yeah, I was hoping Cronenworth would be number 17, but he is number 9. That Max Fried is pretty sweet. Got a little lip lettuce there. All right, we still got one autograph to hit with a handful of packs left. Let's see here. We got Donaldson, Puck, Anderson, Cano, Greinke, Ketel Marte, Tall Boy Mini, Will Craig, and JT Realmuto. Not only do these cards look awesome, they feel awesome, and they smell awesome. Yes, I like the way they smell. Luis Robert, Correa, Varsho, Heim. Oh, hey, did not see that coming. Xander Bogaerts autograph. Red Sox, really hot player right there. Loved to see that. Xander Bogaerts. I was thinking it was going to be a bunch of like rookie autographs, but it's cool to see a veteran player out of the Gypsy Queen there. Xander Bogaerts. Great looking card, great looking autograph. Definitely better than whatever this is. What kind of, I don't know what that is. Xander Bogaerts, we'll take that. We will take that for sure. Bang. Pretty nice little pull there. And, oh, it's out of 99. Xander Bogaerts out of 99. Number 13 out of 99. Pretty nice. Pretty nice card right there. I dig it. Not a bad box. Swanson, Hader, and Huff to finish off that last pack. So we just got a few more packs left. We've hit both of our autographs. Last one was for the Red Sox there. Xander Bogaerts. Pretty nice little pull. Maybe we'll get a third autograph. It's not completely out of the question. Kikuchi, Bogaerts, the base card. Stevier, Jimenez, Plesac, Skubal, Morton. Hey, Charlie Morton in a Braves uniform. There we go. And Marcus Semien. Gotta love the late night rips, man. Brandon Lau, Gleyber Torres, Tanner Houck, Brandon Crawford, Verlander. We got a blue to 199. It's going to be Anderson Tejeda. This aqua blue is out of 199. Anderson Tejeda. Pretty cool looking card right there. I like that color. And he might end up being a good rookie. We don't know yet. Some of these guys got a little while before they pan out. Luzardo, Moniak. I've been hearing about Moniak for years. I wonder if he'll be any good. All right. Chris Davis, Nate Pearson, Keegan Aiken, James Kaprelian, Yordan Alvarez, Ozzy Albies. Nice little Albies pull there. Gotta love pulling his cards. That's my favorite player. Eugenio Suarez and Luis Arias. Appreciate you guys popping in the live. Just got 2 packs left. Hoskins, Bichette, Mateo, McKenzie, Antone, Yelich Mini, Tall Boy Mini, Eric Hosmer, Anthony Rendon. I'll probably have to scan these again to see if we got any bazooka backs. Last pack of the night, guys. It's Albert Abreu, Rafael Marchand, Matt Olson, Parkview High School. What's up? Andres Jimenez, Yu Darvish, Ken Griffey Jr. These are short prints. That's a good short print right there. Anything over number 300. This one's number 309. Get that bad boy sleeved up. That's a solid pull. The Kid, Ken Griffey Jr. Get that top loaded as well. It's a really nice card. If you're going to pull a veteran right there, it's got to be Griffey Jr. And last cards, we got Sano and Arozarena. Not a bad little stack there. We had the Bogaerts autograph. Love that card. Cronenworth, that's a blue border. Stevenson, that was out of the first box. And yeah, now I get to sort all these. So I'll catch y'all later, alright? Appreciate ya. Have a good week, motherfuckers.